Van first he come to Kilbogie town, with his wee short coat and his tartan plaidie. First when he come his bonny lassie to see, she lay in her bed till the breakfast was ready. Oh, when the breakfast was laid out, it was laid out and gotten ready. Up stick her mother and to her, had nothing to do with a healing laddie. So they both get out to take a walk. They take a walk till the dinner was ready. He hastened her up on his high horse's back, and she's far, far away for him in Kilbogie. Then it's first to the healing to come. There was nothing there fitting for a lady. There was nobody there to welcome her home but an old conquered cattle and an old dated wifey. That carriage and horses you will prepare.